Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're covering how to print flashcard sets on Quizlet and showing you how to quickly turn digital flashcards into printed study tools. This video walks you through the process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Quizlet website by typing quizlet.com in the address bar. This is where all flashcard sets are stored. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your content. Step 2. Open the flashcard set you want to print by selecting it from your library or search results, so you're working with the correct terms and definitions. Step 3. Click the three dots menu at the top right corner of the page. This menu contains extra options for the flashcard set. Step 4. From the drop-down list, click Print to open the print settings page where you can control how the cards will appear. Step 5. Choose your preferred card layout, such as small or large cards, depending on how much content you want on each card. Step 6. Adjust whether terms and definitions appear on the same side or on opposite sides based on your study style. Step 7. Click the Print button after confirming your layout settings, preparing the file for printing. Step 8. Select your printer from the list to ensure the print job goes to the right device. Step 9. Click Print again to start printing your flashcards and wait for the process to finish. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more useful guides.